with ID 64230544. We are both from class 64 to 801. Our aim in making this video is to have a dialogue with the time invitation as a form of completing the project assignment for 2 English courses.
Without saying much, just go straight to the video.
Okay, good morning, Mrs. Nai. As a leader of Method of Sera for the floor, I want to say thank you for taking your time to attend in our meeting to discuss operation project in IKA. And second one, I want to introduce myself. I'm an Mansyah, representative from IKN, who want to discuss about cooperation project between us.
Good morning, Mr. Nada. I'm really grateful to be here. Can you explain about this cooperation project?
Yeah, of course. Okay, good morning, Mrs. Nai. As the leader of Method of Sera for the first, I want to say thank you for taking your time to attend in our meeting to discuss cooperation project in IKN. And second one, I want to introduce myself. I'm Anand Mansyah, representative from IKN, who want to discuss about cooperation project between us.
Good morning, Mr. Nada. Thank you for coming to me. I'm really grateful to be here. Can you explain about this cooperation project?
Okay, of course, Ms. Right. We have proposed cooperation in so many aspects development in IKN, like infrastructure, technology, and the last of this, management of the environment. We want to use this cooperation project for development IKN.
Great idea, Mr. Nada. Are you already have to accept for planning about this cooperation?
Okay, yes, of course. Sorry, Mrs. Knight. We already had a proposal that includes objectivities and benefits to the both company. So, therefore, let me introduce about proposal cooperation project.
Thank you, Mr. Nada. Before that, representative from PT Tapsera want to say thank you for opportunity to invest cooperation. Consider the outline that has been explained. I'm so interested for this cooperation. I'm valuable tools and further presentation about the project and expanded role in this cooperation.
Okay, this project is the construction of a major road. Therefore, in our new area, we need a team who have experience in road construction and project management. We heard that Tapsera company has a company track record in this field.
For Canada, we have so much experience in this infrastructure project. Are there any specifications that we must fulfill in this project?
Okay. Yes, we need a team that can work according to the standard we set and have the ability to complete projects online. We also hope that Tapsera company can handle coordination with local subcontractors.
We are confident that we can meet this need, sir. Do you have a seminar project schedule to be cost daily?
Oh yeah, of course. I will send complete document regarding project specification and schedule via email. We hope that company Tapsera can start immediately within the next 2 weeks. Is that possible?
We will immediately review the documents and prepare the team to start according to the schedule you specific. Thank you for your trust and this opportunity, sir.
Okay, thank you to Mrs. Nai. We really hope to work with Tapsera company in this project. I will send this information.
Okay, Mr. Nana, We are waiting for our future instructions. See you at the next meeting.
Okay, see you. Maybe that's enough dialogues that we can display. We would like to thank you very much for your time.
If there are mention and wording that are not quite right, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.